I forgot I told myself I was gonna vlog today, so here I am. Hey you guys, so it is excuse my voice. I don't know, it's like the morning. I just woke up, but I think it's, what's today, Wednesday the 21st. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm going to go get my nails done this morning. My boyfriend's about to come pick me up so I can go do that, and I just thought I should bring you guys along with me. I see like this whole nail vlog thing is like a thing now, so I don't know, I want to do one, so here I am, here I go. What the fuck is up? Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. But yeah, y'all, I'm just going to go I'm going to get my nails done and probably run a few more errands. I really don't know what we're doing today, but I know that's what we're doing first. So yeah, I guess I just want to open the vlog and let you guys know what's tea today. Okay, so y'all, I think I want to do, what is it? I think it's 4. What is it? Okay. Okay, so y'all, so for my powder, I think I want to do $4.79. I think I want $4.79, and then I want a glitter. This is pretty, but this don't go with it. Wait, yeah, it do. It kind of got the purple. I think it's the one I changed last time, low key. Cause this is a set I had before that I want back. Y'all, somebody done got mad. Yeah, low key though, people always get mad at this lady. Like, I swear to God, every time I leave, every time somebody come in here, somebody gets into it with her, like, every single time, like, I'm gonna come to her. They fine. I don't know why they let go of my bitch V, cause this girl named V. I don't know why they let go of her. She used to be the nails. And then they used to lie and say that she on vacation and she has to do the fight. Bitch, why would y'all lie to me? Her friend was the man. Her friend was gonna step. Her friend looked like she was gonna step. She on a beanie. Bitches in the beanies gonna step. What color you like? I already know, sugar. I want $4.79 and $1.17.
$4.79
and $1.17. It's right here. This one right here.
Which one?
Right here.
That one.
$1.17 and $4.79.
117 đồng. $4.79. 4.7.
Yeah, on the rest bustin' out the rapper. 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 And I got a on the rest bustin' out the rapper. 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 All y'all niggas don't matter. I hit threes all balance. I switch hands like Allen. I'm just blessed for talent. For the whole 6, I'm wildin'. You think she your b****?
It's cold as fuck outside. Okay, so look, these are my nails, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm kind of pissed off because the sparkly is not the sparkly I thought I wanted. But this is where I go. I go to, wait, US Nails. It's on Scott in Houston, and I go to the dude. His name is David, and I paid $43 for my nails. But anyways.
Damn, bitch nigga, what's the deal? Cuz, bro, got your direct number no more.
She said I got 7 numbers.
Nah, you got some shit going on.
We're about to go to Wendy's because I want to.
Man, I just been working trying to stack this money, fool. Bitch, I'm trying to get them songs.
I don't know why I'm craving one so bad. Come on, lip. But yeah, these are my nails, you guys.
Yeah, they had booked
So it's
for
like,
a little bullshit ass show.
It's like a.
Man, do your thing. I'm just gonna keep dropping little tracks then. until we, hey, just let me know, bro. I know you heard that shit I did. All of them, nigga. You got all the music.
And you guys, I'm breaking out
Give me
too. I got a pimple, but you know what that pimple for? It's a time of the month pimple.
Oh,
But yeah, I don't know the sparkle.
they in Atlanta.
Okay, but the sparkle is not really the purple I want. It's pink.
You ain't satisfied.
I like them, but I'm just saying it's not the sparkle. Is not the one I thought I
What he
wanted.
did?
He didn't do nothing. He did a good job. I like him. I like him.
Fight this nigga.
Anyways, I don't know if y'all heard me because he was on the phone going in. But we're about to go to Wendy's because I want a 4 for $4 so bad. Like, I'm craving one. Have you had a 4 for $4 recently? Is that okay with you? Okay, that's what I want.